throat was like very much paining in the morning, and this guy was having fever, but now all things are gone. Feels very good. So finally Bittu is here. Hands up, guys. High five, high five, high five, high five, high five. This is the main temple, and from beneath which the hot water comes out, and these are the folks. So we are done with the Vaishish temple session in Manali. Compared to last time when I had visited, this was like the most amazing experience that I got after taking bath in hot spring. If you visit this place, then you guys can't miss out this place, because it's like a Manali में आया और ये place visit नहीं किया तो क्या किया? It's worth it.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
So this is a local house in Manali. This is what I admire most.
But there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the
Cheers. Tandoor chai worth ₹50. Good, right? On like normal.
Like normal, मच्छी बढ़िया.
Hello guys, what is up? So I am back into my room in Manali. Tomorrow will be again exploration of Manali as well as some parts in Kulu. Might be we'll be doing some sports activities. If not me, then my friends will do. So yeah, I'll give you guys the updates. Hello guys, what is up? Very good morning to you all. Today is our last day in Manali, and maybe tonight or tomorrow morning we'll be heading towards Delhi. It's time for the breakfast now. We're already late, so yeah, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I'll keep posting the things that I find interesting. Hello guys, so we have made it till point close to Solang Valley, because the road is full of snow. So a vehicle can't reach out there, so we have to walk some distance. So this is the overcoat which we had to buy from the shops down. Earlier it used to cost like around 600 rupees, or they used to set any rate depending on the how customer looks, but now government have provided strict rules for them, so they have to sell it only for ₹250 including shoes. So socks they sell extra for 100 rupees, which is not like a very special one. You can go with normal socks. Rama sir, the pattern for wearing this is this thing. Wait, the overcoat legs should be outside the shoes, otherwise if you put the overcoat thing inside the shoes, the eyes tend to fall inside. So always put it like this, and by chance if some amount of snow goes inside your shoes, you are numb. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm just climbing up till Solang Valley. I don't think so it is possible to go till there, but I'll try my best.
It was raining in the skies. Oh, we can't be torn apart. We are linked together, forging fire forever. We are linked together, together.
So we have made it till Solang Valley. I had visited this place earlier, but I forgot to recognize this place because it have totally changed. So this is the view behind me. It's fully covered with ice. You can't make out where is valley, where is what. And that's the activity point there. We'll be heading there after some time. First we'll be clicking some beautiful photographs here. So we have selected a package worth rupees 1000, which includes 4 activities, and the same package was available at the Overcoat store at the road down, but it was costing more than 2000, and here it is cheap. So always remember, don't select your package at down where you buy these overcoats. Always come here and you can bargain the price, and they actually give you a good deal. So yeah, the activities include the tire slide. I don't know if you are able to see that. Then ATV ride, which you can drive yourself. The zip line, and the 4th activity is skiing. I forgot about that. So we are first moving ahead for the tire slide. So now we are gonna try this stuff. इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
ट्यूब स्लाइड.
ट्यूब स्लाइड. मैं कब से टायर स्लाइड कर.
टायर स्लाइड, ट्यूब स्लाइड एक ही है. टायर ही है. आगे हो जाओ थोड़ा.
ओके. इतना
अंदर जाना है थोड़ा सा बस. ओके. पैर ऊपर रखना है.
So I can't up. Yeah.
तो
Legs up, bro.
ओके. पूरा मरे.
मिलिया. रुको. जायंट व्हील तरी बरे. इंग्लिश ही झक मार. आता किती भयानक मरे मेल्या. भयानक. And this fellow went alone. Those damn scary. Giant wheel. Must try this. Don't skip this stuff. How was it?
It's amazing.
Amazing. Awesome. We have enjoyed a lot.
चारों तरफ को
और हमारी धड़कनें जुआ पे आ गई. आणि माझी इंग्लिश सोडून कोकणी गाणं चालू मेल्या.
अरे काय पण ना इथे बाहेर.
For these bikes there is no self ride. You have to go with a rider which they provide. So skipped it. So the next task is skiing. जाने दो. Very good. Yes. बेटे. So just done with the skiing part. It was fun. Last time when we had come, we didn't have idea like how it works, but this time we actually did the proper thing. So yeah, now we'll be heading forward with ATV towards zip ride. Zip zip line. So yeah, skiing part needs a lot of energy, so feeling exhausted right now. Even in so much of a cold place, I'm sweating. So we are going for a ride with this ATV. I'm riding it for first time, so let's see how it feels. So my friend Biku will be recording it. This is the main Solang Valley, which is flowing at the moment, and my friend Akash is going first with the zip line.
You a fool's gold. I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
So I'm done with one session. Now the other session will go.
And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all.
So was good.
It was amazing, man.
This was worth the package. 1,000 and so much activities.
If you are going for the package, go for the zip line, go for the skiing, go for the tube ride.
ATV ride was not up to the mark.
Yeah. But if you just want to experience, then
Yeah.
you can go for it. अरे ठीक आहे हांव म्हणटा कोण टेंथात मातशें येवन दिता म्हण आमकां उदक.
So after adventure activities, we just did a long session of photo shoot. So now it's already about to get 4 p.m. and the water which is flowing will freeze and will become like a glass. Then vehicle tend to take grip on it, so we have to hurry up and move on because we are already on very high altitude. So yeah, now we'll be going directly to the room, I guess. If you like the adventure activities and video shoots which I've done for you guys, then please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do, guys.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with.
We have made it till our tourer from Solang Valley till here. Solang Valley wasn't possible if the four-wheel drives and ATV riders was on service today. So yeah, big shout out for them. And yeah, so Solang Valley was a total fun. It was like it is like a must visit place in Manali, Solang Valley, especially if you have arrived here in snowy season. So this is a guy from Haryana who is riding us from Delhi till here and doing all the service, and this is his Gadi ka number, so you can always contact me to contact him if you want to make a tour package. सबसे बकवास वाला है, एकदम फालतू रहता है. अभी वो आया इसलिए I had to talk like that, otherwise don't ever think about it. He didn't cooperate at all. We'll see you guys, stay tuned. So guys, we have made it till hotel. That was the end of today's session. Tomorrow morning we'll be leaving for Delhi, and while going for Delhi we'll be waiting in Kullu and doing some adventurous activities, but I won't be doing because I'm already sick.
ड्रायव्हरान सारखी मारली आमची करपाक लागला.
फॅमिली कंटेंट, फॅमिली चॅनल.
ना रे, ड्रायव्हरान आमची सारखी मारली आमकां. आमी मरे भोंवल्या पळय ते सगळे चलातूच भोंवल्या. मातसो हरियाणाचो तो. सो हांव तुमकां सजेस्ट करता लोकलूच हे करप रे हांगा.
हिमाचल.
हिमाचलाचे भायले हाडप ना ड्रायव्हर बीन हांगा. सारके तुमकां रडयता. कळ्ळें न्हू? थँक्यू.